FrontierAgent is a new open-source agent framework designed for macOS. It supports TUI and React modes and can run with a single command on macOS. FrontierAgent is developed by Apodex AI and offers a native command line interface with both TUI and React modes. It simplifies agent workflows for macOS users, enabling efficient task execution. The architecture of FrontierAgent is modular, supporting multiple modes such as TUI and React. It integrates with command line tools seamlessly, enabling developers to build agent teams for complex tasks. FrontierAgent is built primarily in Python, with a small amount of JavaScript and Shell for functionality. The repository is licensed under Apache 2.0, making it open source and free to use. To run FrontierAgent on macOS, simply clone the repository and execute one command. The framework is designed for simplicity and usability, allowing developers to quickly integrate agent-based workflows into their systems. FrontierAgent fills a niche in macOS development by offering a lightweight, open-source framework for agent-based automation. It supports TUI and React modes, making it easy for developers to create and manage intelligent workflows.